के तपाईको काम समयमा छ? Is your work on time? Is your work on time? के तपाईको काम समयमा छ? Is your work on time? अब ब्रेक लिउँ. Let's take a break now. Let's take a break now. अब ब्रेक लिउँ. Let's take a break now. तपाईका लागि म एक सन्देश छोड्नेछु. I will leave a message for you. I will leave a message for you. तपाईको लागि म एक सन्देश छोड्नेछु. I will leave a message for you. कृपया आफ्नो मोबाइल मौन राख्नुहोस्. Please keep your mobile silent. Please keep your mobile silent. कृपया आफ्नो मोबाइल मौन राख्नुहोस्. Please keep your mobile silent. हामीलाई सहकार्य चाहिन्छ. We need cooperation. We need cooperation. हामीलाई सहकार्य चाहिन्छ. We need cooperation. के तपाईँ आज उपस्थित हुनुहुन्छ? Are you present today? Are you present today? के आज तपाईँ उपस्थित हुनुहुन्छ? Are you present today? तपाईको असाइनमेन्ट पठाउनुहोस्. Submit your assignment. Submit your assignment. तपाईको असाइनमेन्ट पठाउनुहोस्. Submit your assignment. म तपाईलाई समर्थन गर्छु. I support you. I support you. म तपाईलाई समर्थन गर्छु. I support you. नयाँ तालिका सुरु भयो. New schedule has been issued. नयाँ तालिका जारी भयो. New schedule has been issued. नयाँ तालिका सुरु भयो. तपाईको पासवर्ड परिवर्तन गर्नुहोस्. Change your password. Change your password. तपाईको पासवर्ड चेन्ज गर्नुहोस्. परिवर्तन गर्नुहोस्. Change your password. कम्प्युटर बन्द गर्नुहोस्. Shut down the computer. Shut down the computer. कम्प्युटर बन्द गर्नुहोस्. Shut down the computer. कृपया अनलाइन मिटिङ जोइन गर्नुहोस्. Please join the online meeting. Please join the online meeting. कृपया अनलाइन मिटिङ जोइन गर्नुहोस्. Please join the online meeting. म तपाईको उत्तर पर्खिरहेको छु. I am waiting for your reply. I am waiting for your reply. म तपाईको उत्तर पर्खिरहेको छु. कृपया इमेल जाँच गर्नुहोस्. Please check the email. Please check the email. कृपया इमेल जाँच गर्नुहोस्. Please check the email. तपाईको नतिजा सार्वजनिक भयो. Your result has been published. Your result has been published. तपाईको नतिजा सार्वजनिक भयो. Your result has been published. म तपाईलाई रिपोर्ट पठाउँछु. I will send you the report. I will send you the report. म तपाईलाई रिपोर्ट पठाउँछु. I will send you the report. कृपया छलफलमा भाग लिनुहोस्. Please participate in the discussion. Please participate in the discussion. कृपया छलफलमा भाग लिनुहोस्. Please participate in the discussion. धन्यवाद तपाईको सहयोगको लागि. Thank you for your cooperation. Thank you for your cooperation. तपाईको सहयोगको लागि धन्यवाद. Thank you for your cooperation. कृपया चुप लाग्नुहोस्. Please be quiet. Please be quiet. कृपया चुप लाग्नुहोस्. Please be quiet. कृपया समयमै आइपुग्नुहोस्. Please arrive on time. Please arrive on time. कृपया समयमै आइपुग्नुहोस्. Please arrive on time. हजुरले राम्रो काम गर्नुभयो. You did a good job. You did a good job. हजुरले राम्रो काम गर्नुभयो. You did a good job. मलाई हजुरको मद्दत चाहिन्छ. I need your help. I need your help. मलाई हजुरको मद्दत चाहिन्छ. I need your help. उनीहरूले मलाई विश्वास गर्दैनन्. They don't trust me. They don't trust me. उनीहरूले मलाई विश्वास गर्दैनन्. They don't trust me. आफ्नो हात दिनुस्. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. आफ्नो हात दिनुस्. Give me your hand. दिमागले काम लिनुस्. Use your brain. Use your brain. दिमागले काम लिनुस्. Use your brain. किताब बन्द गर्नुस्. Close the book. Close the book. किताब बन्द गर्नुस्. Close the book. समयमा आउनुस्. Come on time. Come on time. समयमा आउनुहोस्. Come on time. हजुर कति वर्षको हुनुभयो? How old are you? How old are you? हजुर कति वर्षको हुनुभयो? How old are you? ऊ धेरै स्वार्थी छ. He is very selfish. He is very selfish. ऊ धेरै स्वार्थी छ. He is very selfish. हजुर कहाँबाट आउँदै हुनुहुन्छ? Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from? हजुर कहाँबाट आउँदै हुनुहुन्छ? Where are you coming from? मसँग कुरा नगर्नुहोस्. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. मसँग कुरा नगर्नुहोस्. Don't talk to me. म कतै हराएको छु. I am lost somewhere. I am lost somewhere. म कतै हराएको छु. I am lost somewhere. अब हजुर कोसिस गर्नुहोस्. Now you try. Now you try. अब हजुर कोसिस गर्नुहोस्. Now you try. के हजुर त्यहाँ हुनुहुन्छ? Are you there? Are you there? के हजुर त्यहाँ हुनुहुन्छ? Are you there? जे आवश्यक छ गर्नुहोस्. Do the necessary. Do the necessary. जे आवश्यक छ गर्नुहोस्. Do the necessary. मलाई अर्को देखाउनुहोस्. Show me another. Show me another. मलाई अर्को देखाउनुहोस्. Show me another. को जानेछ? Who will go? Who will go? को जानेछ? Who will go? जिद्दी नगर्नुहोस्. Don't insist. Don't insist. जिद्दी नगर्नुहोस्. Don't insist. मलाई दुईवटै मन पर्छ. I like both. I like both. मलाई दुईवटै मन पर्छ. I like both. हजुरले के भन्नुभयो? What did you say? What did you say? हजुरले के भन्नुभयो? What did you say? समय निर्धारण गर्नुहोस्. Set the time. Set the time. समय निर्धारण गर्नुहोस्. Set the time. परेशान नहुनुहोस्. Don't be upset. Don't be upset. परेशान नहुनुहोस्. Don't be upset. म बुझ्न सक्छु. I can understand. I can understand. म बुझ्न सक्छु. I can understand. आफ्नो क्षमता देखाउनुहोस्. Show your talent. Show your talent. आफ्नो क्षमता देखाउनुहोस्. Show your talent. हजुरको के समस्या छ? What is your problem? What is your problem? हजुरको समस्या के छ? What is your problem? थोरै सहयोग गर्नुहुन्छ कि? Give me a hand. Give me a hand. थोरै सहयोग गर्नुहुन्छ कि? Give me a hand. मेरो लागि चिया बनाइदिनुहोस् न. Make me some tea. Make me some tea. मेरो लागि चिया बनाइदिनुहोस् न. Make me some tea. बुझ्ने कोसिस गर्नुहोस्. Try to understand. Try to understand. बुझ्ने कोसिस गर्नुहोस्. Try to understand. चिन्ता नलिनुहोस्. Never mind. Never mind. चिन्ता नलिनुहोस्. Never mind. यो हजुरको लागि हो. This is for you. This is for you. यो हजुरको लागि हो. This is for you. कृपया अल्छी नबन्नुहोस्. Please don't be lazy. Please don't be lazy. कृपया अल्छी नबन्नुहोस्. Please don't be lazy. एक मिनट पर्खनुहोस्. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. एक मिनट पर्खनुहोस्. Wait a minute. मलाई एउटा मौका दिनुहोस्. Give me a chance. Give me a chance. मलाई एउटा मौका दिनुहोस्. Give me a chance. हजुरहरू दुवैजना. Both of you. Both of you. हजुरहरू दुवैजना. Both of you. मसँग केही छैन. I have nothing. I have nothing. मसँग केही छैन. I have nothing. केही नभन्नुहोस्. Don't say anything. Don't say anything. केही नभन्नुहोस्. Don't say anything. केही भन्नुहोस्. Say something. Say something. केही भन्नुहोस्. Say something. हजुर किन हडबडाएको हुनुहुन्छ? Why are you nervous? Why are you nervous? हजुर किन हडबडाएको हुनुहुन्छ? Why are you nervous? गरिबको मद्दत गर्नुहोस्. Help the poor. Help the poor. गरिबको मद्दत गर्नुहोस्. Help the poor. उसलाई आउन दिनुहोस्. Let him come. Let him come. उसलाई आउन दिनुस्, let him come. मान्छेहरू यस्तो किन हुन्छन्? Why are people so? Why are people so? मान्छेहरू यस्तो किन हुन्छन्? Why are people so? अब हजुरको पालो. Now it's your turn. Now it's your turn. अब हजुरको पालो. Now it's your turn. ल फुटबल खेलौँ. Let's play football. Let's play football. ल फुटबल खेलौँ. Let's play football. मलाई कुनै आइडिया छैन. I have no idea. I have no idea. मलाई कुनै आइडिया छैन. I have no idea. बिल्कुल होइन. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. बिल्कुल होइन. Absolutely not. म हजुरको लागि के गर्न सक्छु? What can I do for you? What can I do for you? म हजुरको लागि के गर्न सक्छु? What can I do for you? ढिलो नगर्नुहोस्. Don't delay. Don't delay. ढिलो नगर्नुहोस्. Don't delay. कृपया ढिलो नगर्नुहोस्. Please don't delay. Please don't delay. कृपया ढिलो नगर्नुहोस्. Please don't delay. अंग्रेजी कसरी सिक्ने? How to learn English. How to learn English. अंग्रेजी कसरी सिक्ने? How to learn English. मेरो साथमा उभिनुहोस्. Stand by me. Stand by me. मेरो साथमा उभिनुहोस्. Stand by me. मेरो हात समात. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. मेरो हात समात. Hold my hand. मलाई नछुनुस्. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. मलाई नछुनुस्. Don't touch me. मेरो सल्लाह मान्नुस्. Take my advice. Take my advice. मेरो सल्लाह मान्नुस्. Take my advice. मोमबत्ती बाल्नुस्. Light a candle. Light a candle. मोमबत्ती बाल्नुस्. Light a candle. यसलाई नछोड्नुस्. Don't leave it. Don't leave it. यसलाई नछोड्नुस्. Don't leave it. अरूलाई नभन्नुस्. Don't tell the others. Don't tell the others. Don't tell the others. अरूलाई नभन्नुस्. Don't tell the others. गएर आफ्नो काम गर्नुस्. Go and do your work. Go and do your work. गएर आफ्नो काम गर्नुस्. Go and do your work. तपाईलाई भेटेर खुसी लाग्यो. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. तपाईलाई भेटेर खुसी लाग्यो. Nice to meet you. नदेखेको धेरै भयो. Long time no see. Long time no see. नदेखेको धेरै भयो. Long time no see. केही समय पर्खनुस्. Wait a bit. Wait a bit. केही समय पर्खनुस्. Wait a bit. यो खुल्लै राख्नुस्. Keep it open. Keep it open. यसलाई खुल्लै राख्नुस्. Keep it open. स्थगित नगर्नुस्. Don't postpone. Don't postpone. स्थगित नगर्नुस्. Don't postpone. समय नसार्नुस्. Don't postpone. Don't postpone. समय नसार्नुस्. Don't postpone. यसलाई स्थगित गरौँ. Let's postpone it. Let's postpone it. यसलाई स्थगित गरौँ. Let's postpone it. यो जरुरी छ. It is urgent. It is urgent. यो जरुरी छ. It is urgent. के भइरहेको छ? What is going on? What is going on? के भइरहेको छ? What is going on? केही छैन. Nothing. Nothing. केही छैन. Nothing. सबै ठिक छ. Everything is alright. Everything is alright. सबै ठिक छ. Everything is alright. लाइनमा पर्खनुस्. Wait in line. Wait in line. लाइनमा पर्खनुस्. Wait in line. लाइनमा उभिनुस्. Stand in line. Stand in line. लाइनमा उभिनुस्. Stand in line. ऊ बाहिर छ. He is out. He is out. ऊ बाहिर छ. He is out. ऊ चाँडै फर्केर आउनेछ. He will be back. He will be back. ऊ चाँडै फर्केर आउनेछ. He will be back. केही हुने छैन. Nothing will happen. nothing will happen. केही हुने छैन. Nothing will happen. लाज नमान्नुस्. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. लाज नमान्नुस्. Don't be shy. पानी तताउनुस्. Heat the water. Heat the water. पानी तताउनुस्. Heat the water. पानी उम्लन दिनुस्. Let the water boil. Let the water boil. पानी उम्लन दिनुस्. Let the water boil. मेरो लागि चिया बनाऊ. Make tea for me. Make tea for me. मेरो लागि चिया बनाऊ. Make tea for me. म चिया पिउने छु. I will drink tea. I will drink tea. म चिया पिउने छु. I will drink tea. त्यसलाई नछुनुस्. Don't touch that. Don't touch that. त्यसलाई नछुनुस्. Don't touch that. अल्छी नहुनुस्. Don't be lazy. Don't be lazy. अल्छी नहुनुस्. Don't be lazy. तिम्रो यत्रो हिम्मत. How dare you. How dare you. तिम्रो यत्रो हिम्मत. How dare you. मसँग त्यसरी कुरा नगर्नुस्. Don't talk to me like that. Don't talk to me like that. मसँग त्यसरी कुरा नगर्नुस्. Don't talk to me like that. आफ्नो काम गर्नुस्. Do your work. Do your work. आफ्नो काम गर्नुस्. Do your work. मलाई बाहिर जान दिनुस्. Let me go out. Let me go out. मलाई बाहिर जान दिनुस्. Let me go out. तिमी धेरै बोल्छौ. You talk a lot. You talk a lot. तिमी धेरै बोल्छौ. You talk a lot. तिमी धेरै बोल्दैछौ. You are talking a lot. You are talking a lot. तिमी धेरै बोल्दैछौ. You are talking a lot. अब बोल्न बन्द गर्नुस्. Stop talking now. Stop talking now. अब बोल्न बन्द गर्नुस्. Stop talking now. यो फेरि भन्नुस्. Say it again. Say it again. यो फेरि भन्नुस्. Say it again. म हराएँ. I am lost. I am lost. म हराएँ. I am lost. मलाई घर छोडिदिनुस्. Drop me home. Drop me home. मलाई घर छोडिदिनुस्. Drop me home. केही विशेष छ. Anything special. Anything special. केही विशेष छ. Anything special.